Hey, it's me, Katie. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be using the ABH Norvina palette. This is the first palette in her collection. I'm going to be using the E3 shade on a blending brush, placing it in my crease, and just really building up that color pretty much. I just recently purchased this palette. I purchased the first one and I purchased the third one in this collection. I didn't really like the second one. It wasn't my cup of tea, I guess. I actually recorded this video quite a while ago, but I was working night shift and I worked 4 nights in a row, and then after that I ended up getting sick and wasn't able to do the voiceover for this video, so it's been sitting on standby for quite a while. But here we are, making it work. Alright, now we're going to get into C4 shade on another blending brush. We're placing that on the outer corner and kind of blending it into our crease, darkening it up, adding some dimension. That shade is so pretty. I am obsessed with shades like that. The cranberry, mulberry, purpley shades. They're so pretty. This palette, if any of you want to see swatches of this eyeshadow palette, I will do it. I'm sure you've probably already seen tons of videos on YouTube of this palette because I'm late to the game, obviously. Now we're going to go back with that blending brush from the beginning and using some more of that E3 and trying to blend it out. And I went with another fluffy brush and just really trying to blend that out so we don't have any sharp edges. Alright, now we're going to get into C5 and using another detailed blending brush. I'm really concentrating that color on the outer corner, giving a lot of definition. And then I went back with the brush I used in C4 to blend out. I basically kept going back and forth with those two brushes. Then we're going to take the little smudging sponge brush. I used E3 to smudge my lower lash line, and then I believe I took that white blending brush that I had at the very beginning. I just wanted it to be really blown out. Then I took some more of the C4 shade and placed that under on my lower lash line. I just kept going back and forth with blending it out. Oh my gosh, this is such a beautiful shade, C2. First I started out with a flat brush to place it, but I wasn't applying like I wanted it to, so I ended up using my finger, as you can see there, and it really got a lot of the pigment and sparkle that's in this shade. It is such a pretty color. Now I'm taking a little detailing brush and adding some of that C5. Oh my gosh, my arch nemesis eyeliner. Literally, this makes it look like it's so easy to do, but it seems like every time I try to do it, I keep going, I mess up, and then I will literally turn into Amy Winehouse by the end of doing eyeliner. Using my favorite mascara, L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. I really considered about doing false eyelashes, but it seems like when I use false eyelashes, they just really irritate my eyes, so I usually just stay away from them. I'm using my Lolita lip liner. And I believe that is in the shade Mother by Kat Von D liquid lipstick. And then I use some of the Vivid Hot Lacquer. It's by, I believe, Maybelline. I'll have it listed down below. But I basically wanted to have the center of my lips like a lighter color. And that is it. I am done. Just going to be messing with my hair a little bit there. But, anywho, thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and I will see you soon. Thanks. Bye.